Hello, I'm Donnie from Innovate Alarms. It's a beautiful day and I'm going to drop off stuff with Ian and Kieran. See you soon. Hello and welcome to the channel. So I've had a bit of a day so far. There's my phone gone. I need to get it. Right, so take two, let's do this. So what a day we've had so far. It's just been busy, the phone's been gone, and I've had a couple of things to do. So I had to go and price a job as well for one of our customers, three brothers, and I knew it. Every time I go there I come away with a free burger, and the guys are brilliant, they're really good. But if you're ever in Glasgow and find yourself down Woodlands Road, there's my phone gone again. As I say, the phone's been gone constantly, so I'm going to go grab this phone, I'm going to go grab this burger, and I'll catch you later. So I've just arrived at our customers. This is, we've done work for this customer before. It's the Artificial Grass Company. He's also got a camper van company, and I can't remember the name of it, and I don't want to say the wrong one, so I'll put it on the screen down below. Put a link to both his websites actually, but this is his new premises. Quite a big unit with a big bit of space, so we're here fitting the CCTV today anyway. We've got a 16 camera system going on this, and I just got to put the drone up because it's such a nice day and I want to. Forgot the camera.